What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot the overheating when using camera issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all avoid using your camera in a high temperature environment, or if you're using your camera in direct sunlight then it will heat up your device. So avoid the direct sunlight and high temperature environment. If you want to click photos, then move to a cooler spot. Now the second solution to fix this issue is use lower resolution in camera. So if you are using 4K or 8K quality to take pictures, then you should use HD or 1080p resolution to avoid overheating when using your camera. Now third solution to fix the overheating issue while using camera is limit background app usage. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now here click on background usage limits, and then you will see a put unused apps to sleep button. So if there are a lot of apps running in the background, then it may affect in overheating. So close the apps which are not important. So after turning on this button, it will automatically put the unused apps to sleep. So after turning on this button, it will fix your overheating issue while using the camera. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating your software. So to update your mobile software, open settings, scroll down, and here click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. So here if you have any pending update, then tap on download and install and update your mobile software. And after updating your mobile software, restart your device. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon, and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your phone can fix small glitches in the software like overheating or freezing. So I hope all these solutions can fix your overheating issue in camera. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.